What's up, YouTube? Back again, talk about the Dewalt planer adapter. I've got the SES all updated, got new pictures up and a new little video, and I'm going to be showing you kind of the full length of that video after I talk here. And the video shows its multi-direction function, and then just how easy it is to get on and off of the planer. And the multi-directional thing is pretty cool because no matter where you have the planer, you can get that pointing in the direction you need or where your hose is coming from. And it's for the sizes of, you got your 2.5 inch shop vac, which goes your standard shop vac that you would buy, a rigid or Dewalt vac. That hose will go right in the 2.5 inch vac. And then there's 2.5 inch and 4 inch dust collection hose, but that is the clear coil hose, and those sizes refer to the inside diameter. So the easiest way to check is just measure that inside diameter. If it's 2.5 or 4, then those sizes will work. But I will let the video roll and enjoy, guys. Thanks.